Hello friends watching, glad you're part of the squad. In this behind the scenes vlog, you have a sequence 1, 6, 36 and we wanted to find the 7th term. And today I am showing you the two best ways to solve this. First method is the manual way. This method is perfect for short sequences. As you can see, we found that each term is multiplied by 6. This 6 is what we call our common ratio. Since the first term is 1, we can get the second term by multiplying the first term by 6. And the second term is 1 times 6, which equals 6. And the third term is 6 times 6, which equals 36. And the fourth term is 36 times 6, which equals 216. And the fifth term equals 216 times 6, which equals 1296. And the sixth term is 1296 times 6, which equals 7776. And the seventh term is 7776 times 6, which equals 46,656. And for our problem, we want to get the seventh term, which equals 46,656. And this is the solution by using the manual method. Let's solve the problem by using the second method, which is called the formula way. We have a geometric sequence and we can use the rule an equals a times r to the power n minus 1, where a is the first term and r is the common ratio and n is the required term. In our problem, the first term a is equal to 1 and the common ratio r is equal to 6 and the required term n is equal to 7. Substituting a, r and n into the equation, we find that a7 equals 1 times 6 to the power 7 minus 1, which equals 1 times 6 to the power 6, which equals 46,656. And this is the solution by using the formula method. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.